Hello, model car fans, and welcome back. We're going to be working on the A-Team van build, so let's get over to the workbench and see what we have going on. Here's a good overview of the extreme lacquer by testers that I'll be using. We'll go into more detail on each color here in just a moment. Let's go ahead and take a look at the van itself. I've gone ahead and taped off the body to mimic the two-tone paint job from the TV series van, which this build will be emulating rather than the later movie van. And there's distinct differences of each. Here's a look at the interior real quick. All right, I chose to go with the Tesser's Extreme Lacquer, the Graphite Dust, the Revin Red, and the Black. I think they're great color choices for the tritone paint job. So
you better fix my van.
Okay, BA, we'll go ahead and get your van fixed up. I promise you, it'll be looking good. So let's get back to it. All right, so when we look at the I tried to go
I want my van back.
Okay, we'll get your van back to you. I promise. Well, I was going to talk about how I laid everything out, but here's the graphite dust color sprayed and laid down. I haven't put any clear on it yet. So, I'm pleased with this color choice. I think it matches all the pictures I've seen online and, in the TV show. So I think it's going to be a striking color combination when everything's complete. A good look at the metal flake. I think it's the perfect size and scale for the build. Not overpowering, but it's still looking good. Okay, I've gone ahead and removed the masking tape so I can get ready for the black and the red stripe. As I look at it, try to go down. There's a slight ridge between the gray and the black right now, but that's still the body color, so I haven't applied anything else, any other paints to the model at this point. But I think we'll be okay, when everything is said and done, because I'll go ahead and polish the red and the black and the gray out after I apply the clear. So I think overall we'll be good with it. So
that's good. Yeah, you're getting there all right. That's pretty good.
Well, thank you, BA. I'm glad you approve. I appreciate you watching. Have a blessed and safe day. This is Steven, the Scale Model Car Chief. We'll see you on the next update.